We just walked into the beautiful home and we are in this amazing kitchen. Paige, what do you think about the kitchen?
I love to entertain, so I love the open concept of this kitchen, the extra counter space, this kitchen island. As I stand here, I noticed the different color backsplashes, the contrast in colors. It just really brings the kitchen together and brightens up the place and makes it more inviting.
And the nice thing is, as you're cooking, you can see the backyard through the large open windows.
Yes, I love how the kitchen just flows to the living room and overlooking the spacious backyard. The pool area is great for entertaining. I love the location, and it's just the green trees just really makes it really inviting and cozy.
So this wonderful backyard is 20,340 square feet. That means you can have a lot of parties here, invite a lot of guests over. There's even a barbecue area that overlooks the pool as well as the natural setting. The entire home has been completely remodeled with an open concept floor plan. All of the hardwood floors are refinished. There's new interior and exterior doors, and the new double pane windows are noise canceling mill guard. The large master bedroom features a walk-in closet as well as a patio door leading to the outside. So I'm at El Paseo de Saratoga shopping center, and this shopping center features a lot of banks, a lot of stores, including an AMC movie theater, as well as some nice specialty stores, and it's one of the highlights in Saratoga. I'm here at Wildwood Park in Saratoga. Its proximity to the property is really close, and it's situated next to a natural creek. It's the host of many weddings, company parties, and other events. So I'm standing in front of Mitsuya Market. This marketplace features a lot of specialty restaurants outside the store, but also features gourmet fairs inside. For example, now they have the Hokkaido Gourmet Fair, as well as mini restaurants, and one of the best ramen places to eat in the Bay Area. Thank you so much for coming by and checking out the house, and I hope to see you at the open house this weekend.